In this video, we listed the 5 best air fryers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Inalcer Stainless Air Fryer. The Sous Chef Connect Air Fryer offers advanced temperature control and remote cooking capabilities through the Taurus Connect app, allowing users to adjust settings, access recipes, and monitor the cooking process from anywhere. With a compact design measuring 28.5D x 32W x 39H centimeters and a generous 6.5-liter capacity, this powerful 1600W air fryer is perfect for families of 4 to 5 members. It utilizes rapid 360 degrees air circulation technology to achieve crispy results while significantly reducing oil consumption by up to 99%, promoting healthier meals. Users can enjoy a variety of over 50 simple recipes for everything from appetizers to desserts, with 8 one-touch cooking functions that ensure perfect results for different dishes like steak, seafood, and fries. The sleek black and silver stainless steel design makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Faber 20-liter Air Fryer. The Faber Air Fryer Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for healthy cooking, featuring a sleek black design with a capacity of 20 liters and a powerful 1500 watts. Measuring 38.4D x 34.8W x 35.4H centimeters, it utilizes 360 degrees heat circulation technology to prepare food evenly while significantly reducing oil consumption by up to 85%, allowing users to enjoy crispy meals with fewer calories. The 120-minute timer and touch control make it easy to operate, and safety features include a tempered glass door and a cool touch handle. This multifunctional air fryer can bake, fry, toast, roast, and defrost, accommodating various cooking needs with included accessories like an enameled bake tray, stainless steel wire tray, and wire basket. Backed by a generous 2-year warranty, the Faber Air Fryer Oven promises a healthier lifestyle without sacrificing flavor. Number 3. Agaro Regal Air Fryer. The air fryer oven boasts advanced temperature control and a spacious 14-liter capacity, designed to meet the needs of large families and gatherings, making it ideal for parties, birthdays, and family meals. With a robust output of 1700 watts, it offers 3 versatile cooking options: air fry, rotisserie, and ferment, ensuring quick and healthy preparation of various recipes. The appliance features a sleek silver design and is constructed from durable stainless steel, including a transparent glass door with internal lighting for easy monitoring of the cooking process. Its innovative 360 degrees hot air circulation technology ensures even cooking with minimal oil, enhancing the crispy texture of dishes. Additionally, it includes a variable temperature range from 100 to 220 degrees Celsius and timer settings up to 60 minutes, as well as built-in overheat protection and an auto shut-off function for safety when the door is opened. Number 4. Philips Smart Air Fryer. The Philips HD9218 Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for roasting, baking, and reheating, featuring a temperature control range starting at a minimum of 80 degrees Celsius. With a compact design measuring 33.8 centimeters in diameter and 35.5 centimeters in height, it has a capacity of 4.1 liters and operates at an output wattage of 1400 watts. Weighing just over 4 kilograms, this air fryer is constructed from durable plastic and boasts a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. Controlled via a touch interface and compatible with Wi-Fi, it offers convenience and innovative cooking options. The appliance is dishwasher safe, making it simple to maintain. Manufactured by Vasuni Home Solutions in China, it comes with essential components, including the air fryer itself and a user manual, making it an ideal addition to any modern kitchen. Number 5. Agaro Imperial Air Fryer. The 2400-watt dual basket air fryer features a sleek black stainless steel design with dimensions of 39D x 36.5 W x 32.5 H centimeters and offers an impressive array of cooking options with 10 preset functions including preheat, French fries, drumsticks, steak, cake, shrimp, fish, pizza, vegetables, and dehydrate. Its 4.5L plus 4.5L independent frying baskets operate with a sync function, allowing users to cook different foods on varying settings that finish simultaneously, or the same food with a dual cook function. Utilizing 360 degrees hot air circulation technology, it evenly cooks food while using 80% less oil than traditional fryers, ensuring a crispy texture. The digital display and touch controls enable precise temperature adjustment from 50 to 200 degrees Celsius and a timer of up to 60 minutes. Additional features include a dehydrate function, reheat function, a viewing window with built-in light, and it comes complete with food separators and a tongue. The product is backed by a 2-year warranty for added assurance.